Hello and welcome to Platform 9 Support. In this video, we will demonstrate how to access the Platform 9 Support portal. If this is your first time accessing the portal, you must first create an account. To create an account, simply click on Sign In on the top right corner and click on Sign Up. To properly link your new account to your organization, use the email address associated with your organization's domain. Within a couple of minutes, an email will be sent to the provided email address for verification purposes. If you've participated in an email thread linked to a support ticket, an account may already exist with your email address. If you see this error message when signing up, go back to the Sign In page and click on Get a Password to request a new password. Enter your email address and click on Submit. Within a couple of minutes, you will receive an email containing a link to establish your password. Using your recently established credentials, you may now use the Platform 9 Support portal to manage your tickets. Be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of future Platform 9 Support videos. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.